Hello, cruise control para sa Nissan Terra. Yes, I'm using the cruise control right now. This is the button and this is the set speed. Up, down for the speed. And, yeah, I'm here at the TPLX. Okay, so I set my cruise control at 100. My fuel consumption, actually, if you must know, nandito ako sa 10.8. Well, it should be 11, sort of like that. Kanina pa naman ako nagda-drive para sa TPLX. But it's showing me 10.8 kilometers per liter na fuel
Caution,
economy.
toll booth.
So that's it. This is the new Nissan Terra 2024 4x4 BL Sports version. So that's it.